Bonjour, bonjour les amis, comment ça va? Moi, ça va très bien. Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy et bienvenue. Welcome to French with Ananas. Now, do you remember how to say I'm having a good day? Can you say ça va bien? Ça va bien means everything is fine with me. Can you repeat that? Ça va bien. Bravo. We have a very exciting lesson today, les amis. We're going to learn how to make a sentence with our a sound words. And we're also going to talk about words that are feminine and masculine. But before we begin, we must say bonjour to Anana. Can you help me out? Can you say bonjour Anana in a nice loud voice? Bonjour Anana. Oh, here she comes. La voici. Oh, voici Anana. Oh, Anana. Comment ça va, Anana? Est-ce que ça va bien? Oui, ça va bien. Are you excited? Oui, excited because we're going to learn how to do sentences, des phrases. Alors, on a besoin de choisir une couleur aujourd'hui. Can you repeat the colors with me? Rouge, orange, jaune, vert, bleu, violet, rose, blanc, noir. Anana, did you want to choose the color? Tu veux choisir la couleur, Anana? Oui, tu veux choisir la couleur. Quelle couleur aujourd'hui? Oh, le rose. D'accord, on va choisir le rose aujourd'hui. So this series is called French with Anana, and this is lesson 1.11, A sound. Leçon 1.11, son A. Alors, on va commencer, les amis. On va commencer avec notre premier mot. Oh, If you watched our A series, do you remember what this object is? Oui, une banane. Banane. So, what Madame has done is I added some words at the beginning so that we can make a sentence. A sentence in French is called une phrase. Can you say that? Une phrase. And my phrase today begins with two words. Je vois. Je vois means I see. Je vois. So our sentence today is Je vois une banane. Can you say that? Je vois une banane. Now, there's two ways that we can use this little word. It could be un or une. So une, we're using une because banane is feminine. Now, if you have an object, I'm going to show you this pencil, un crayon. Now, everything, every word in the French language has a gender. It's either masculine, or feminine. So in this case, crayon is masculine. We'll say un crayon. Now, it does not mean that the pencil is a boy. It means that the name pencil is masculine. So we'll say un crayon. So when we look at the screen, you'll see that Madame wrote une banane. Une is feminine, féminin. So this object here doesn't mean that this banana is a girl. It just means that the word banana, banane, this word is feminine, féminin. So when something is feminine, we must put an E at the end here, and it makes une banane. So the more you repeat une banane, the better you'll remember that banane is feminine. So let's say it one more time together. Je vois une banane. Bravo! You are on your way to learning how to write sentences with the proper gender. Do you remember the name of this beautiful cat? Un chat. You are correct. Un chat. So, chat is actually a masculine word. chat. Now, with animals and people, it depends on their physical gender. So, this is a boy cat, so it will be un chat. If it was a girl cat, it would be une chatte. So, here we go. Je vois un chat. Can you say that with me? Je vois un chat. Bravo! Très bien. Let's keep going. Oh, do you remember this word? Avion? This is avion. Now, the word avion is masculine, masculin. So we're using un, not une, un. Bravo! So let's say the sentence together. Je vois un avion. One more time. Je vois un avion. Bravo. Ça va, Adana? Oui? Are you understanding? Oui? All it takes is a little bit of practice. On continue. Oh, le gros ballon. This is our beach ball. Did you remember the word ballon? So, ballon in French, the name ballon is masculine. So we will say un ballon. Can you say that? Un ballon. So let's say the whole sentence, toute la phrase, together, ensemble. Je vois un ballon. Je vois un ballon. Bravo! Bravo! On continue. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Oh oui. Ananas. I think it's just about our break time for our collation. Maybe we're going to have a chocolat chaud in our tasse. So this word, tasse, is a feminine word, féminin. So we're going to put an E over here. So it's going to sound like this. Une tasse. Une tasse. Can we say the whole thing together? Toute la phrase. Je vois une tasse. Je vois une tasse. Do you remember what the sentence means, Anana? Oui? You remember? Oui? Has something to do with the eyes, eh? It means I see a cup. There we go. Bravo. On continue. Oh, this is a question. Une question pour madame. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Oh, dans mon sac? Est-ce que j'ai mon sac, Anana? Oui, j'ai mon sac. Voilà mon sac, Anana. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Oui, on va voir qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le sac. Inside, dans le sac. On va ouvrir le sac et Anana va mettre sa main dans le sac. On va aller voir qu'est-ce qu'il y a. Oh, regarde! Ouh, Ananas, qu'est-ce que c'est? Oh, it's a ball. In French, a ball, a small ball like this is called une balle. And that's an A sound word. Balle. So we can turn this into a sentence. Ananas. We can say, je vois une balle. Can you say that? Je vois une balle. Anana, do you want to go play ball? Tu veux jouer? Tu veux jouer à la balle avec moi? Oui? Oui, on va jouer à la balle. Mes amis, I hope you had fun today learning how to make sentences. En français, on a fait des phrases. We'll see you next time. Do you remember how to say see you next time? See you soon? À bientôt! À bientôt!